This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 1st, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.41 points or 0.1% and closed at 406.22. Total trade volume was down with 39,811 shares changing hands at a total value of 196.7 million real or over $49,000. On the main board, only one stock was up and one was down. Sihanoukville Autonomous Port gained 1.17% or 140 real to 12,140 real per share, while Phnom Penh Autonomous Port dropped 0.29% or 40 real to 13,600 real per share. The rest of the stocks on the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.72% or 20 real to 2,800 real per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat at 2,040 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 17,761 shares changing hands at a total value of 119.7 million real or nearly $30,000, approximately 45% of the total trade volume on Monday. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 7,854 shares changing hands at a total value of 15.5 million real or close to $4,000, about 20% of the total trade volume on September 1st. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD remained stable at 4,008 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 97.61. Looking at global commodities, oil prices edged up on Monday as worries about rising output and the impact on demand from US tariffs offset supply disruptions stemming from intensified Russia-Ukraine airstrikes and pressure from a weaker dollar. Brent crude was up 31 cents or 0.46% at $67.79 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude slipped by 32 cents or 0.5% to $64.33. Trading is expected to be muted because of a U.S. public holiday. Gold hit a more than 4-month high as U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate cut bets increased and a softer dollar heightened bullion's allure, while silver breached $40 per ounce for the first time since 2011. Spot gold gained 0.9% to $3,477.89 per ounce, hitting its highest point since April 22nd. U.S. gold futures for December delivery gained 0.9% to $3,548. The U.S. stock market was closed for the Labor Day holiday on Monday, September 1st. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 1st.